Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting math problem in which we have to find the value of x and we are given e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x equals to 2. Now multiply the whole equation by e raised to power x. So we get e raised to power x bracket e raised to power x minus, we can write this as 1 over e raised to power x equals to 2 times e raised to power x. On solving this, we get e raised to power 2x minus e raised to power x over e raised to power x equals to 2 times e raised to power x. So this will get cancelled out. We get e raised to power 2x minus 1 equals to 2 times e raised to power x. Now bring this right hand side to the left hand side. We get e raised to power 2x minus 2 times e raised to power x minus 1 equals to 0. Now let e raised to power x equals to a. So we get a square minus 2 times a minus 1 equals to 0. And as we know, if we have a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then we can use quadratic formula to find the value of x, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from this we can find the value of a, which is a equals to minus 2 plus minus under root minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 divided by 2 times 1. On solving this we get 2 plus minus under root 4 plus 4 times 1 times 1, that is 4 divided by 2. On further solving this we get 2 plus minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. Taking 2 as common, we get 1 plus minus under root 2 divided by 2. This will get cancelled out and we get a equals to 1 plus minus root 2. As we have assumed that a equals to e raised to power x, so e raised to power x equals to 1 plus minus root 2. Taking log on both sides, we get log e raised to power x equals to log 1 plus minus under root 2. So this can be written as x natural log e equals to natural log 1 plus minus under root 2. As we know, natural log e can be written as natural log e base e, which is equal to 1. So we get x equals to natural log 1 plus root 2 and natural log 1 minus root 2. This value of log we cannot consider because log function is defined only for positive real numbers. So the final value of x equals to natural log 1 plus root 2. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.